At Merck, it's a conscious choice to be the best, not just for Merck's benefit, but also for our investigators and for the people we interact with, and ultimately for the patients that we serve. We want to be able to bring people up to speed on each new trial, each new application as quickly as possible.
Our investigations into process improvement led us to the conclusion that Merck is an information company. For example, in clinical trials, we need to collect information from the physicians and their patients. It's vital for us to have in place systems that allow us to collect that information as accurately as possible and to provide that information to all of the folks that need it. Data Labs is a unique environment that represents a way of collecting information which is leveraging the Office system.
As a software solution provider using Microsoft technologies, we get that advantage in the market to be able to connect our back-end systems that are highly focused out to publicly available software that's easy to use and lots of people understand. I don't have to build from scratch, but I can leverage the technologies and the advances in the Office product, where I'm giving them something that they already know how to use, that they have comfort level with, and there's no training involved virtually.
From our perspective, we want to make use of the talents that everybody has, not only in our organization, but also externally as we collaborate with other physicians and thought leaders in the industry. It's important to be able to share thoughts and ideas. We're able to work collaboratively on documents in a much more effective way than we were previously.
The information that we collect is primarily generated by physicians and the patients that they're taking care of. Certainly we need to be able to manage and assure that that information remains confidential and is handled in the appropriate way, and the Office system allows that.
In the course of doing business, in the course of doing clinical trials, it's very important to have key performance indicators, monitor them, that really tell you the direction, the health of your business. Traditionally, those are difficult to go after. And not only that, but you're going to buy a separate visualization package and a separate environment to interact with them. We're able to actually interact with the document as data as opposed to just a document. We're able to actually build actions off of documents as they come into repositories.
So in a sense, connecting into that environment provides the look and feel of Office, but all of the underlying horsepower of a data collection environment that a pharmaceutical company would need.
We're tying business units together in a way that wasn't possible before or required a great deal of custom code. And we're pushing more functionality directly to the business users. They're generating content in a way that's natural to them, in an environment that they're familiar with, and because of the tools that they're generating the information in, that information is automatically shareable and actionable across other business units as well.
Merck, using Data Labs software, has been able to shave 22% off of their data management costs and been able to compress their timelines by an average of 32 days by using the Microsoft technologies.
I don't think mission critical is too strong a word to use when you talk about the tools that you do your everyday business with. By bringing our data in cleaner and making much more use of the information in a write once environment, that's core to our success.
Office system helps our customers by allowing physicians and their patients to work more effectively and efficiently, allows us to compress our cycle times and increase our efficiency and quality as well, allowing our therapies to reach the market sooner.
When you start to see cost savings in the environment, you start to see increased efficiencies, much more effectiveness with a trial, you start to see a lower barrier to participation in trials. There can't help but be a benefit to the people who consume these products. There can't help but be an incredible benefit in people's lives.